Here's a quick bike check of my 2017 Redline Flight Pro 24. I guess we can go ahead and start in the back. We're running an Alien Nation tubeless rim, Redline hub, 18 tooth rear sprocket, chain stays, Power Max V brake, which will be upgraded to a bombshell unit, Redline flight cranks. These are the hollow aluminum jobbies. They will be switched out for the Supercross hollow carbon ones. Moving forward on the bike, did install some pads, stock handlebars, stock grips, running the box carbon fiber front fork. Again, Alien Nation rim up front with a Redline hub. Promax brake lever, we'll be changing that out to a carbon fiber box unit. What else did I do here? Oh, the kink pivotal seat, stealth, so you don't have the hole in the top. Kind of nice, cleans it up a little bit. But yeah, there she is. It's been a great bike, fun to mess around with on the track, or just cruise around the neighborhood. Hope you guys enjoyed.